Today we're going to be looking at and installing this door lock. As far as what's inside, you have all your manuals and your templates for installing it. And it's got a nice pad here. You have your interior latch part. You have your keypad that goes on the outside, as well as the key and the fingerprint. You have the doorknob here, so you have a matching doorknob and all the hardware, and then the additional hardware you need to install the locking mechanism itself. And of course you have the keys and the deadbolt mechanism. Installing this in an existing door, so I have a lot of the hardware on the frame and everything, but if you didn't, this kit comes with all the necessary hardware as well. And once you have the old doorknob out, you're going to go ahead and put the new hardware that comes with the kit in. Pretty straightforward. You're going to slide that in and screw it into place. And once this piece is in, you're going to go ahead and put your doorknob in. All right, once you get that installed, just make sure it works properly. All right, I'm going to use my existing deadbolt, but it also provides one in the kit if you don't have one, and simple to install. I'm going to slide my wire through the hole underneath first, and then line up my locking mechanism. Once you have that in position, you can ensure that it's working, at least to this point, by just turning this tab and making sure your deadbolt opens and closes. And you got your wire here ready to hook to the other unit. Now what you're going to do next is you're going to mount this plate onto the door with the spots that screws into the other half. You just want to feed your wire through there and that pin right through there. And then you're going to want to hold the other half, of course, and then get these holes lined up so you can put these screws in. All right, next thing you're going to do is you're going to want to plug this wire in here. And it's hard to see, but it plugs right into this spot right here. And you have two screws here, a long one and a short one. I believe the short one's going to go in behind here, but the long one's going to go right down here. And yeah, there's the other screw, goes right there. I'm going to go ahead and install 4 AA batteries.
So once you have the whole thing installed, it's a nice user-friendly keypad here, as well as the thumb reader. So I don't have that set up yet, but the system will take you through that whole process. And you can manually lock it if you want, of course, just by doing that. And it lets you know with an audible message saying whether it's locked or unlocked. And of course, there's always the backup key system, and that way you're never going to get locked out as long as you have the key. If the code doesn't work, like in this case, and you don't have the code to get into it, then you can always use the key to open up the door. So if the door is locked in this case here, I can just go ahead and put my thumb on here. It's going to ask for the second code, and of course I can't show you that. And then you push the pound key here, and you can see it unlocked. So that's as simple as that to lock and unlock the system. So these guys are nice enough to send this thing out to me so I can give it a quick test and review. But if you're looking for a digital or a keyless entry, this might just be the option for you.